One sec, you guys. I'm gonna put you up here. So happy. Everybody say hi to Bert from Elite Auto.
Hey guys.
It's not about me. It's not about, this isn't about you, Brian. Open the door. Let me in.
Kirsten's iPhone.
That's me.
What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Brian Mark coming at you with another episode of my channel, and today's gonna be a special day because today is the day that Kirsten picks up her Jeep. So I actually just got the deposit dropped off, and Wifey, when she gets here, she probably thinks that she has to do some paperwork and literally all she has to do is drop off her key, and then I'm gonna give her this key, and this is the key to her brand new Jeep. So I'm super excited, you guys. Her reaction's gonna be super cool. So sit back, relax, and watch Kirsten pick up her brand new Jeep. Kirsten's just arrived, and what she doesn't know is that I have the keys to her new Jeep. What she does not know is that she doesn't need to do anything. I have the keys to her new Jeep.
You already did it? You already got the keys?
Do you want this, or should I just take it? I'm taking it.
No. Oh, I want you to drive home with me though, because I'm scared to drive it home.
I can't. I have a Hellcat. I'm not leaving it
How
here.
did you get the key? Oh, because you just had to go in and get the job.
I don't know. Come out. Get out. Get out.
I'm trying to get all my stuff ready.
Oh yeah, because you got to give away your Kia forever. Okay, this is your
so
key.
that's kind of sad.
Why? Is it sad or is it exciting? On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
Like a 12.
Like a 12?
You to drive it.
I know I can't though, because I have Dax here. Look, Dax is right there, and Dax needs.
Oh, your sweater's in the back.
Dax needs companionship. Dude, I was looking for this sweater today. I would have been so sad if we left this in the Kia. One sec, you guys. I'm gonna put you up here. I was looking for this sweater all day today, and I was really upset that I couldn't find it. So the fact that it's here, dude, this is the one that I was looking for. So happy. Shameless plug. Number 1, free BC shameless plug. Make sure you get your shirts. Number 2, I love ASRB. ASRB, if you're watching this, sponsor me, okay? Because I love ASRB shirts. They're sweet. Okay, so what were you saying, babe?
This is when I was COVID crazy. I actually had Lysol. After my COVID, I had Lysol spray. Whenever Haley, even when I was out of isolation, Haley would walk in the car and I'd spray it with this.
Really?
Yeah. When she would walk in the house, I'd spray the hallway.
That is so. Do-do-do-do-do. You're a little cutie and you're getting all your stuff because you got a new Jeep, right?
So I gotta go give them these keys?
Yeah, that's it.
I just gotta roll my window now.
Do you know, but if I can't be close to you, I'll try to bring the ghost of you.
You want your chat?
Listen. Do you want my lip chap? Yeah, I guess.
You want your lip chat?
Yeah, I was singing Justin Bieber. Where's my lip chap?
Oh, I did grab it.
She's like, do you want your lip chap? And she doesn't bring it. She's excited. She's happy. Are you happy about your Jeep?
I'm so excited. I can't believe it. Oh.
Say goodbye to the
Can
Kia.
you get one last picture with me in the Kia?
Okay.
Plate's already on your.
You just need to get in her and drive her away.
Look at this handy thing here we got here.
Yeah, this is my vlog camera. What's your name?
Bert.
Bert. Everybody say hi to Bert from Elite Auto.
Hey guys.
Hi, Bert.
I have to take the camera and you have to do this because I didn't break a nail.
Okay.
And here's your lip chap.
Thank you.
Are you excited?
Oh, you don't even know.
I always get sad when I leave a car, like that little peach on the back. I want to show you guys the little peach. I need to message my client that got me this and get one for the Jeep. So we're saying goodbye to the Kia. Aw, the Kia did me well. Start it and it will get hot.
Yep. And you just have your settings where you want it.
The Kia. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Let's go get it.
Oh my God. Always wanted a Jeep.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Bert.
Say thank you to Bert.
Thank you, Bert. We appreciate you. If you need a car, Elite Auto Center, Bert's your guy.
Bert's your guy, you guys. Bert is your man.
If your car is looking hurt, call Bert.
Sold.
Basically, what I recommend to people, if you don't want to read the owner's manual on how stuff works, just YouTube.
Okay, that's
Gotta
easy.
Take the Freedom top off, how to store it in the back. It comes off in 2 pieces. And just taking that front Freedom top off roof is usually good enough.
And somebody said you can take the doors off too.
Absolutely. Yep, you sure can.
Get in. This is cute. Why does my face look so big? It's not about me. It's not about, this isn't about you, Brian. Turn the camera back on your wife. She just got a Jeep.
Okay. Your nails are probably not helping it. Okay, what we'll do is we'll just go lock. What's happened is it's got to be reset. you got to start.
Go start your vehicle. Ah. Open the door. Unlock it. Fuck. Just locks me out. Okay. Let me in. Hello. Let me in. Let me the f in. Woman? Nope. Still no. Okay. Nope. She doesn't care about me. Okay. F me. She's just too excited.
Turn it all the way. It's right here.
Yep. So is that seat up high enough for you, Kirsten?
Yeah,
Who's my little Jeep girl?
I'm a Jeep. Beep, beep. This is my Jeep, and her name is Beep.
Right here, you just lift that up.
Okay. And it goes up.
Yep, keep lifting it.
My little Jeep girl. Vroom vroom.
Oh my God.
How do you feel?
I feel really cool.
Just a tad excited.
Just a little
Anyways,
bit.
congratulations, guys.
You guys want to get a photo?
Yeah.
You want to get a photo? Yeah,
Yeah,
you
you
want
betcha.
you in there too, babe?
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
Just come
Get out.
outside.
Oh, do you want me in the car or out of the car?
Oh, well, just stand in front.
Cool. Okay.
So to shift on the fly,
Okay.
you can be in drive.
Okay.
You pull this small lever back
Oh,
right
cool.
there, and it lights up on the dash in yellow that it's in 4-wheel.
Oh, that's dope.
Okay.
Okay.
You can go a maximum speed in 4-wheel high of no more than 80 kilometers an hour.
Okay, got it.
And let's face it, you shouldn't be going that fast if you got to put your vehicle in 4x4 mode. to
Yep,
begin
yep,
with, right?
yep.
In order to put the vehicle in 4 low, which is a crawling speed,
Yeah.
you have to be stopped,
Yeah.
vehicle still running, and the transmission in neutral.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
If you don't have it in neutral, you're going to hear a bunch of grinding.
Okay.
Which is not good.
Okay.
All right.
Got it.
So you can shift, like I said, on the fly, off the fly, up to 80 kilometers an hour.
Cool. How do you feel about your new
I feel
vehicle?
very cool, babe. I feel very cool. I feel very cool that I now have a Jeep.
Or list paired devices.
Pair a device.
Refer to www.jeep.com/Uconnect for a list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say a 4-digit PIN number. Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Kirsten's iPhone.
Adding, Kirsten's iPhone.
That's me.
is this correct?
Yes.
Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1.
Priority 1 is already occupied by...
Damn phone.
Would you like to override?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
Where?
Pairing complete.
So,
Okay.
however your phone contacts are noted in your phone, if
Yeah.
you've got first and last name,
Yeah.
you must, when you press the phone button, you have to say the first
and last name,
If
okay.
Brian's in the phone only as Brian,
Yeah.
just say Brian, or if you got him in there as Babe, say Babe.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Cool.
I'm good.
Okay, so babe, we're in your Jeep, and is there any final words that you'd like to say to the vlog? How you feeling right now?
I have always wanted a Jeep, and I loved my Kia, but I definitely settled for a Kia because the price range of Jeeps were a lot higher. So I feel super grateful that I was able to
Yeah.
get this
You
Jeep.
did it.
Did it. We did
did
it.
it.
Because he helped me.
I only a little bit though. This was her move. I
Yes,
just assisted.
he assisted.
She didn't even ask for it.
No, he said that. He did. Yeah. Yeah.
You did it.
Thanks.
We did it.
We did it.
But it was
Now we
mostly
have a good winter card.
Now we have a good
car.
winter guy because the Kia
Car.
was not very good at
It
that
was not
time,
good in
right?
the winter. Yeah, it was really bad, which is one reason why we had to get rid of it and why we did it so suddenly is because it was it sucked. I don't know why I was stuttering. I was,
Guys, and Kirsten, when me and Kirsten first started dating, I didn't have a vehicle, and Kirsten had this shitty little beater.
that smelled like
It smelled like
absolute
garbage. Didn't have a door handle on the right hand
bumped
side.
as you drove.
And now this girl just traded her Kia for
For a Jeep.
for a dream car.
And my Jeep is called Beep Beep Beep. I'm in a Jeep.
Beep, beep, I'm a Jeep. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about this channel, and chase your dreams.
If you want
Let's
to ride,
go.
the Jeep, comment below. Bye.
Bye.